Hi, I'm Claire, also known as Blondie Builder. Today I'm going to show you how I added a pop of colour to my guest room by attaching some moulding to the wall and adding this beautiful colour Inkyra blue to the ceiling. Now to get started, you need a long spirit level. Mark on the wall where you want your moulding to be and then follow this line all the way around the room, making sure you keep the same level. I bought my mouldings from Wix. I would also recommend a miter box in order to cut your 45-degree corners. When you're happy with the cuts of your mouldings, apply some glue to the back of them. I used no nails, and then attach these to the wall. Make sure you line them up with the markings that you made earlier, and then apply some pressure. Continue this around the room, measuring out your distances and making sure you cut your angles for the corners. I really can't recommend a miter box enough. It will make your life so much easier for this task. Once the glue has dried, it's time to apply paint. I started off with a white wood primer and then continued the next two coats with a satin white finish. After the first coat, I caulked any gaps and cracks. These will show up better once it's painted white. Then I set to work painting the top of the wall and the ceiling. I was worried that this may make the room too dark. However, I made sure I kept the rest of the features in the room nice and light and bright. I also reused one of my old paintings of Perth by adding some of the paint that I used on the ceiling and touching it up in my painting to make it tie in with the room. And here is the finished article. What do you think of my guest room makeover? If, like me, you love doing DIY on a budget and turning trash to treasure, then follow me on Instagram at Blondie Builder and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more creative ideas. Thank you.